Okay, hello everybody. This is going to be a video announcement going over the ATI exam. The ATI exam will be this coming Wednesday on April 29th. Everybody will begin the exam at 1 o'clock. Those of you that have extended testing time, you will just continue on. Your time will be added to the end of the exam. I want everybody to start at the same time so that I can make the exam or the test available just once, okay? As you know, we are using practice test B as our proctored test. ATI will not allow us to use the proctored test unless we are all in the same place proctoring the exam. So we have revised the ATI for this online format. Practice B has 60 questions. ATI allows 1 minute per question, so that is what I will be allowing. So you will have 60 minutes to complete the exam. Now, unfortunately, the practice tests are not on a timer. I cannot add a timer to it in ATI, so I will make announcements during the test to tell you how much time you have left. In order to create the least amount of disruption possible, I will make two announcements. I will make an announcement at 20 minutes in and 40 minutes in. So that can help you pace yourself during the test. Now, those of you that have extended time, I will then add another announcement later on for you. And I do apologize if this is going to be distracting, but it is the only way that I can make sure that you are aware of the time during the test, okay? You may have a piece of scratch paper because there may be math on the test, so you can have a piece of scratch paper to work on the math question. You cannot have a calculator. There is a calculator in ATI that you can use, okay? We will be doing Zoom to proctor the exam. Even though it is a practice exam, we are using it in a proctored format. So like we did for exam 5 as a practice, you will use your phone to be on Zoom, and you will take the exam on your computer or desktop or tablet, however you take your online test. Now, I am going to trust you because ATI does not lock down your computer like Exemplify. So I am trusting that you will abide by the honor code and that you will stay within the ATI test during testing. And so just like before, please place your phone somewhere where I can see you testing. The other thing that I found out during exam 5 is that your video on your phone shows video or pictures of students coming and going, or if I was scrolling through watching students. So I am going to allow you to cover the screen of your phone so that you don't see that video. So you don't see the changes. I don't want it to be distracting to you during ATI. So you can tape a piece of paper over your phone screen so you don't see the moving videos, but I do need you to make sure that you leave the camera lens uncovered so that I can see you during the exam. If you put this piece of paper over your whole phone, then you have covered the camera lens and I will not be able to see you. So just make sure that you do not cover the camera lens, okay? It was thought that you could click on the chat button and then that hides the video screen. Unfortunately, you cannot use the chat button to hide the video screen on your phone, because when you do that, it then freezes your video screen and then I can no longer see you in real time. All I see then is a picture of you that it froze at the time you went to chat. So you cannot use the chat function to hide this video screen on your phone. You have to cover your phone with a piece of paper, okay? And then just make sure that you do not cover the camera lens. Alrighty, if you can remember, please put your Zoom meeting on mute so that other students cannot hear any other sounds coming from your environment. If you forget, I do have the ability, I will make sure to mute everybody during the test. I think that is it. If anybody had any difficulties with Zoom during exam 5, please email me so we can work out those problems before Wednesday and not wait till the last minute when you log in. Your remediation for practice test B, which we are using as the proctored test, is due on Saturday, May 9th at noon before you take your final exam. Okay, thank you.